Hello guys, I hope you have a wonderful morning. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to start off by looking at what's there for us for this week. That is the economic calendar of this week. I apologize if I don't seem audible enough. I have the flu, but I'm getting better, don't worry about it. So let's start on Monday today and see what's up with the markets today. I see we have some GDP coming up, which it has already been released. Yeah, it has actually gone down. I see the manufacturing production also, it has gone down. Okay. On Tuesday, I also see the average earnings index, climate change. Yeah, the German economic sentiment for April. That's also another good one. The core CPIs. Okay. So essentially just look for those high impact news so that we know when to place our trades, when to exit our trades. The New Zealand dollar has its interest rate decision on Wednesday. So that's a high impact news for the New Zealand dollar. The pound also has a consumer price index, which will increase still on Wednesday. We have Brazilian retail sales here. I don't trade the Brazilian currency, but if you do, take note of that. We have the producer. Let me check this out. The PPI's producer price index. It's coming out also on Wednesday, together with the Bank of Canada monetary policy report and the interest rate decision. And it seems that the interest rate will keep on increasing from now on. Pound increased their, Bank of England increased their interest rate, so we expect the same routine to continue. Okay, there's also a high impact news on Thursday. We also have the interest rate decision. Funny enough, the European Central Bank hasn't raised its interest, so we're still waiting on that. Initial jobless claims. Okay. Retail sales, we have them also on Thursday. Seems that it will increase, but you just wait for them. And on Friday is Good Friday, so I don't expect them. Maybe they will have an early close, but I'm not sure, I'll confirm. But on Friday, some do close early, some do not open at all, so we'll just wait on it. So let's look at Bloomberg and see what's happening. Ukraine update. Austria Chancellor to meet Putin. In war front. Okay, so we just skim through and see what the global financial markets say. Now, Elon actually bought Twitter at 9.2%. He owns Twitter at 9.2%. That's his stake. Okay, so we're just skimming to see what's happening around the world. Yeah, you can take your own time and look closely to what is happening. Yeah, you can subscribe to our channel, which is this is our logo. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also we have various types of services which also you can subscribe to. We have the harmonics pattern, We have how to set up resistance and support lines on zones, how money and risk management, portfolio management. This deals with everything from crypto to T-bills to stocks, how to buy stocks as a Kenyan or as anybody in whatever platform there is. And also it deals with derivatives and also currencies and indices. These are just some small PDFs to guide you, and also we also have a trading signal service. But I recommend the portfolio management, because with the portfolio management you can also be a signal provider. So this is tradingview.com. I'm starting with the euro versus the US dollar, and it has been quite a very bumpy week with this. The euro index is actually going up, so any break between these 2 points, it broke our initial point here. So let's put it at here, and it continue going down. So if it breaks this zone right over here, we expect it to continue plummeting. Otherwise, I foresee something like this. Remember the W pattern the Australian dollar versus the US dollar did? I foresee something like that. This is the weekly chart. So if it fails to break at this point, and also remember to watch for false breakouts. Those hurt a lot. Remember, just be patient with it until it breaks completely, then you can sell it on the retest if you're selling. But if it does not break, so just wait for a sell. And this zone, it is right over here, so just be patient. You can actually put your buys if it's going up, possibly past Tuesday, Wednesday, and then it will go up. So let's wait on this pattern to show. Otherwise, we will be going down. Let me change the color this one to red. Yeah, we will be going down. So it's either we go up or go down on this one. Let's check on the daily time frame. Yeah, it's the same case, but on the daily time frame, I think there's a short-term buy with it. Yeah, you see this concentration right over here. There is something, it's consolidating. And remember, when something like this is consolidating, it goes up or down aggressively, just like this zone right over here. It went up very aggressively, so remember to watch out for something like this. Yeah, now it went up for almost how many pips? That's almost 100 pips, 100 plus pips. So watch out for it. Watch out for the euro versus the US dollar until it's done this zone right over here, this zone. That's when you can buy it or sell it, but wait for it. Let's look at the Australian dollar versus the USD. So remember, it finished our double pattern, and now it's going down. It has failed to break this point, so now we expect our next point to be at 0.72909. But wait for it. It may retest back to this zone of which it has already broken, just like it may form this type of a pin bar. So just wait on it. See this pin bar right over here? It may form something like this, so it may go up again and then goes back down. So wait for those retests. In case you're selling, sell it at its maximum highs, so that you can get good value for your money. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, I believe with this, let's just wait for it to hit this point here. But it's now on a general sell trend. Let's look at the pound versus the USD. Yeah, it broke our triangle, remember what we said, and it went back down. Now it's at this zone right over here. So any break between this zone, just as we have said, wait for a retest on this zone. if it breaks towards this zone, maybe to this point, wait for a retest. As it goes back up to this zone again, you can sell it, then for sure it will go back down. As for now, I think there is some divergence I'm spotting. There is some divergence I'm spotting, so just be very careful with it. You can see right over here. So we might go up before we go down. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, you can see positive divergence it has. So just really wait on it. This also had some divergence. That is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. As you can see, that they're in the same zone, but on the stochastic it's going up, and it really went up. So just wait on it. If these have some type of no, not yet, but let's wait and see. Actually, there is some divergence also, but on the weekly time frame, and it's also a positive divergence. So with this also, I think there is more probability of it going up, but let's see about this. So with the pound, just wait till it breaks and retests this blue zone right over here, 1.30041. Then you can make a decision of whether it's going up or down. Remember, we always follow the trend, regardless of us forecasting where the market will be. We just ride the trend. Let's look at Bitcoin. As I said last week, we did this zone right over here, and it actually hit the zone and then came back down. So our next zone we're watching is 39,353. But personally, in the long term, I think Bitcoin will start moving, will be very bullish in the end of April or end of May, mid to end of May. But end of April, I believe Bitcoin will start to be bullish. Yeah, I'm actually seeing it forming almost a head, an inverted head and shoulder. But let's wait for these zones to confirm all that. So our next zone is this. So if you took a sell at 47, I believe with a dollar you're $5,000 in, and that's also some good profits. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave a comment below our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube, which is Eric Mwenda Capital. Our Facebook is Eric Mwenda Capital. Our Twitter is Mwenda Capital. And also pass by our site and give us the feedback, maybe of what we should do next, or what you think we did wrong, what we did right. We'll appreciate. Our next video will be about strategy back testing, which involves testing your strategy which you have come up with, or which you've seen somebody come up with. So you're going to learn about that. And then the next one will be about the creation of automatic robots to trade for us. So keep it tuned, guys. Have a profitable week ahead.